Yeah, you know what this is, man.
Damn, this shit exclusive.
Saber, turn me up a little bit. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's ironic how I'm shining with no jewelry. Skip some classes, told my teacher ain't no schooling me. Got my dick inside her neck and I mean literally. I stay in the cut, I'm always in action, it feel like a movie scene. Look, I ain't round with no G-Shock, I ain't got no Beatbox. Thought your shit was hard, but I swear that shit is dang soft. She wanna kiss my face, had to buy that bitch a lip gloss. I been rapping since my uncle used to do that beatbox. Ay, I know I get on your nerves, I'm coming for what I deserve. Heard you niggas at the top, I'm gunning for that, nobody can stop that. All you niggas better fall back before I turn this to a bloodbath. Boy, I count money and my scars at the same time, but they suck in math. Deep in that pussy, I'm drowning my sorrows, killing beasts like they ain't no tomorrow. I got demons, but they stay in the shadows. I know wherever I go, they follow. Fuck me over, you gon' pay the price. Tap shit, that's gon' fuck up your life. Dark skin nigga, but I shine too bright. Can't fuck that bitch cause she acting white. No, I'm not really racist, but I say my mind is racing. They used to say I'm too basic, now I'm flyer than a spaceship. I treat the game like it is a feast. You say you a dog, but I'm a beast. You niggas can't give me your lines. I'm shitting my dick so big, might fuck up the city. My nigga, I'm leading, my girl's too pretty. I hate cats, but I love her kitty. I'm anti-social, fuck your opinion. Fuck a task, come and say it in person. You do as I say, I guess you're my minion. Now time, so I'm closing the curtains. I ain't sleeping till I make me a milli. She a thotty, but she still she a virgin. So I can't trust no hoe no more. My ex-girl broke me to the core. Finna blow up and that's for sure. Broke my back when I slept on the floor. I gotta wash my steps, niggas out here be parasites. I'm smoking on strong gas, tryna find my way to paradise. Nigga, my flow too lit, it is the power to hypnotize. I used to say I'm the shit, you niggas thought I was telling lies. But enough about that, I'm working back to back. I heard your song is whack, you speaking too much cap. You can't speak no facts, you need to fix your raps. Yeah, nigga, it's Luffy, nigga.